Hello friends, this is lecture 2 on the topic directions and distance. In lecture 1, we covered the complete concept, and in today's lecture, we'll cover advanced level questions. In case you haven't watched the part 1, do watch it now. So these are practice questions, advanced level. Question 1. One evening before sunset. Two friends, Gopal and Ram, were talking to each other face to face. So if Gopal will face towards right, so Ram will face towards left, face to face. If Ram's shadow was exactly to his right side, which direction was Gopal facing? So sunset time, evening time, here is the sun, west. Ram's shadow was exactly to his right side. So we saw in the previous lecture, shadow's direction will be opposite to the direction of sunlight. So Ram must be standing facing the north direction. So Ram is facing north direction. So which direction was Gopal facing? So Gopal was facing south direction, face to face. So the answer is south. Question number 2. A man facing towards west. So he is facing towards west and turns 45-degree clockwise. So clockwise is towards right, left to right. So he turned 45 degrees. And again 180-degree clockwise. So he was here. So again 180-degree clockwise. So he come here. And then turns 270-degree anti-clockwise. So from here he moves 270-degree anti-clockwise. So first he'll cover 180-degree till here. Then he'll cover 45-degree till here. So far he has covered 225 degrees. Rest he'll cover 45 degrees here. So the total will be 270 degree. First he was at point, let's say P. He covered 45-degree clockwise. Then he covered 180-degree again clockwise. And from this point he moved 270-degree anti-clockwise. So first covered 180, then 45, again back to the point where he started, that is 225, then remaining 45 makes it 270, so he is here. So if we draw the directions, south, he was facing towards west, so this is nothing but southwest. So this is the cardinal direction, southwest, and it is the answer. Study the information given below carefully and answer the questions. On a playground, Dinesh, Kunal, Atul and Prashant are standing as described below, facing north. So all are facing north. 4 people are there. First, Kunal is 40 meters to the right of Atul. So suppose Atul is standing here. Kunal is 40 meters to the right. So to the right of Atul will be here. Kunal 40 meters. Dinesh is 60 meters to the south of Kunal. So south of Kunal will be down 60 meters. Here is Dinesh. Nitin is 25 meters to the west of Atul. So here is Atul. West means left hand side, 25 meters. Here is Nitin. Prashant is 90 meters to the north of Dinesh. So Dinesh 60 is already covered till K. Then for 90 he has to stand at 30-meter distance. So here is Prashant. Prashant is 90 meters to the north of Dinesh. 60 till K, that is Kunal, and 30 meters more, 90. Who is to the northeast of the person who is left to Kunal? So first let's see who is left to Kunal. So Atul is left to Kunal. Now who is northeast of the person who is left to Kunal? Left to Kunal is Atul. Then who is northeast to Atul? Northeast to Atul is Prashant. Okay, here is Atul, here is Kunal, and here is Prashant. So it's northeast. So Prashant is the answer. If a boy walks from Nitin, so here is Nitin, boy walks from Nitin, meets Atul. So he meets Atul, followed by Kunal, Dinesh and Prashant. Then how many meters has he walked if he travels straight distance all through? So he has traveled straight distance. First he meets Atul, so he covered 25 meters. Then he meets Kunal, so he covers 40 meters. Then he meets Dinesh, so he covers 60 meters. And then he meets Prashant, so he covers 90 meters. So the total covered is 25 plus 40 plus 60 plus 90, which is 215 meters. So third is the answer. Next question. 7 villages A, B, C, D, E, F and G are situated as below. E is 2 kilometers to the west of B. So B is here. E is 2 kilometers to the west of B. F is 2 kilometers to the north of A. So if A is here, F is 2 kilometers to the north of A. C is 1 kilometer to the west of A. So A is here, to the west of A, 1 kilometer, it's C. D is 2 kilometer to the south of G. So if G is here, D must be downwards 2 kilometers. G is 2 kilometers to the east of C. So C is here. Now G is 2 kilometers to the east of C. 1 kilometer it's already there. So 1 kilometer more. D is exactly in the middle of B and E. So here is D. Now these are all the pieces. Let's connect them. E, then D is between E and B as per last statement. So this is 1 kilometer and this is 1 kilometer. G is above D, 2 kilometers. So it is 2 kilometers. Here is G, then A is 1 kilometer, C is 1 kilometer, and above A, F is 2 kilometers. So this is the final picture here. I hope it's clear. Let's solve the question. A is in the middle of. So A is in the middle of, as seen in the picture, C and G. So this is the answer. Which two villages are the farthest from each other? We can clearly see F and B are farthest. Between F and B we have a distance of 1 kilometer, 2 kilometer, 1 kilometer and 2 kilometers. So it's the farthest between B and F. How far is E from F in kilometers as the crow flies? So crow flies in straight direction. So crow will directly go from E to F. So from E to F we have like directly this E to F. So it's 2 kilometers E to G plus 2 kilometers as the crow flies. It's straight direction. So 4 kilometers. So this is the answer. Very, very simple. So thank you for watching this. If this video was helpful to you, please hit the like button. Comment down below with your suggestions or queries. We are on Facebook. Our page is Cloud24 Academy. You can write to us. Our mail ID is cloud24academy@gmail.com. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Thank you.